Hello, welcome to Goes to 11 Get Spun. Today I'm going to show you how do we make our getting hooked lures perch jigs. We'll start out with a 30 thou stainless steel wire and make a V in the bottom of that. I'm going to add a bead chain swivel to that. This bead chain swivel has a snap on the bottom. The snap is rated for 15 pounds, so if you were going to use it for anything bigger than perch, I would suggest maybe removing that snap. Either adding a bigger one or a split ring or something to hold your hook on instead. Now I'll twist it up. Lock that right in place. I like to start the glow bead. This bead is a 6mm plastic glow bead. And then I add a turbo cone to the top of that that is as close as I have to matching the color of beads that I'm going to put on. The next bead I put on is a 6mm Creek Candy glass bead. They're pretty dense beads, so they add some weight. And then I'm going to add a silver turbo cone on top of that one for contrast. Then a second orange glass bead. And one more turbo cone. And those kind of mounts when you jig them. Make a little noise. The water will catch those turbo cones and allow them to ride up on the shaft and down. So I leave about ½ an inch between my turbo cone and my twister or my wire former when I make this loop, because I want to have a little room for those to be able to move up and down when you're jigging them. Twist the loop into the top of that. And then to finish it off, I'm going to add a number 6 gold eagle claw single hook to that. And you could use whatever hook you like. I just decided today that I like that one. That's what we ended up with. It'll give you room to put a small minnow or some maggots or whatever you're going to use for bait on the end of that. Jig it, catch some perch. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Click the reminder bell so you don't miss any more content from Goes to 11, and check out the store. It's fishingandoutdoors.ca. Thank you.